I'm back with another video, and with the title you already know what I'm about to be doing. I'll be showing you guys how to go from this to this, or from this to that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Saxy and this is a lifestyle, story time, fashion, beauty channel. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good? Welcome everyone. I appreciate you being here. Please don't make it your last visit. I said this on my Instagram story asking if I should do a tutorial on how to achieve this, and I got a lot of yeses. If you haven't subscribed, now will be a great time to subscribe to my channel, because I'll be giving you all the juices. So let's get it started. So the first thing we're going to do is download Lightroom from App Store or Play Store if you're using Android. So go to App Store, search Lightroom. This is Lightroom logo here. I already have the app, so no need for me to download. Come out of here, then we'll go straight to Lightroom. So I already have the picture that I will be using, but if you don't have the picture, all you have to do is go click the plus sign, then go to camera roll, then click on the picture we'll be using. I'm going to click on favorite and go to picture. Okay, right here. So this is the picture that we'll be using for this tutorial. What we're going to do is go to the first one, which is light. Right here, light. So you click on light, and when you click on light, you're going to have exposure, contrast, highlight, shadows, white, black. And if you want to reduce exposure, all you have to do is take it down, you can see. And if you want to increase it, if you want to brighten the exposure, you have to just take it up. For me, I like to brighten the exposure a little to like plus 30. And I'll brighten the contrast to like plus 20. Yeah, right here. Then I'll take the highlight all the way down. Just make it go down, because I don't want it to be too bright. Then I'll go to shadow and make the shadow like plus 20. Yeah, right there. Then I already have a lot of white going on here, so I won't touch the white. Then I will go to black and make it go up to like plus 50. Yeah, just take it easy guys, don't rush, okay? Just take it easy. So let's go down to color. This is color beside light. Click on color. Guys, this is where the magic happens. If you want to make blue become purple, or you want to make any color pop out more, this is where the magic happens. So we'll go to, and here we have temperature, tint, vibrance, saturation. So we'll click on temperature. I'll make it like let's say 20 or 30. Let me see, because I want the color to be like the preset I want it to be like caramel kind of preset. So if you don't want it to be this much, you can just make yours go all the way down, but I want to make caramel kind of preset. So we go to tint. I'll make tint to like 16 or 15, yeah. Then I'll go all the way to vibrance. I'll make it like 14 plus 14 or 15, yeah. Then I'll go to saturation and make it plus 10, just 10 only. Now that we are done with this set, we are going to color. Then you click on color, this right here beside grading. Then we click on color, and here at the color mix we have different color. We have red, we have orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink. So, and here we have hue, saturation, luminance. So what we're going to do now is make some color pop and reduce some color. So I will start with yellow. So I will go to saturation and make it go all the way down. You can see the difference now. Yes, I'll make it go down. Then I will go to under yellow also. I'll go to hue, then I'll make it like -10 because I don't want the color to go down too much. So I'll go to luminance and make it go high to like +20. Then I'll move to red. I'll make hue like +35 or 30. Let me see. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. Then I'll make the saturation go all the way up because I want the caramel kind of thing to pop. Then I'll go to orange. I'll make the saturation to like +10, and I'll reduce the luminance to like 10. Just stick around me, guys, you see what I'm about to do. Then what else? Okay, what else should I do? Okay, let me go back to yellow. I think it's too much. Let me take the hue back to like 49 or 50. The saturation to like make it go the way down. Then let me reduce this to like 30. So when I grade it to come out more. And what I'm doing here is I want my skin tone to change. So now I've been showing you guys the tips and trick. Let me show you the real juice, which is grading. Let's click on done. We are done here. Let's go to grading, which is here. Then click on grading. We have different kind of grade, but me, I actually like to use the last one. So I'll make the grading. Let me do it. You can see the environment, everything just change. So I'll make it, I like to use the color blue because to make it just go down a little to like the hue. I'll make it like 200 or so. Let me see what it comes like. Something like this. Yes, I think I like it like this. So then we're going to go to the next one, which is details. I click on details or effect, anyone you want to do. And I want it to sharpen a little bit to like, I want to make it more sharp to like 20. And then let me see what I can do here. Okay, I want to reduce the noise reduction to like maybe just a little 10. Then color reduction also to like 10. Let me go to effect now. Here, effect. Then the texture to like -10, and clarity to like 15. Guys, just play around with it depending on the kind of presets you want to create. When you hold the screen, you see the before and after. I mean, when I say screen, I mean the face. Here, just hold it like this. You can see before and you can see after. Magic. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? So guys, this is my preset. This is what I do to edit my pictures. After you finish editing, what you want to do is save this preset in case you have another picture with the same or different outfit you want to edit. Instead of doing it over again, all you have to do is just paste it on it. So let me show you guys how to save your preset. Let's click on save. Come out of here. Then you click on the 3 dots here. Click on the 3 dots. Go to copy settings, or better still, let's create preset. Go to create preset. Let me name it caramel because I'm trying to make a caramel preset. Caramel. Then click on save. Let me show you examples so you can see what I'm talking about. Go to try to import any picture you want to use. Okay, let me click on this. All you have to do is just go to preset. Yeah, just click on preset. Then you click on user preset, and the caramel we saved the other time, all you have to just click on it. I think there's some kind of stain in the clothes. All I have to do is just adjust it a little. I'll go to color. I think it's the red one that is stopping it, so I'll just have to reduce all the red that I did in caramel. You can see it's all gone. So this is before and after. All you have to do is just export it to camera raw. No stress. That's it guys. Editing is easy and fun. All you have to do is just play around with it. Next preset like this, I don't like color popping out too much in my pictures, and this is not the only app you can use to edit and enhance your pictures. There's a lot more, and I have a lot of editing videos coming for you guys, like how to remove distracting backgrounds, face editing videos, and like body editing videos. Which one do you want me to do next? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I really hope you find this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys in my next video.